Every day you make different types of choices, from the mundane to the momentous. These choices are simple, momentary, or proactive. Your simplest choices are those of daily living, what to eat and what to wear. If you were to stand in front of your open refrigerator questioning what to have for breakfast, getting hung up on this small daily choice, you'd create a bottleneck for the bigger ones that follow. At some point, you must decide between yogurt, eggs, or a smoothie. Make a choice and move on. Your momentary choices are those that are typically binary in nature and call for more engagement than a simple choice. Will you cook with your child or answer emails? Will you cuddle on the couch with your partner or finish cleaning the kitchen? Will you return a phone call from a friend or address the work project that needs to be completed? Making simple and momentary choices effectively and efficiently is a muscle-building experience. The more you practice, the more confident you become in flexing this muscle to eliminate stagnation and continue moving forward. There's little risk involved in making these choices. If one causes you to go astray, it's generally straightforward to make an adjustment and course correct. These smaller choices don't ordinarily require much deliberation. It's when you agonize over them, getting caught in unnecessary angst and drama, that decision fatigue sets in and creates blockages, obstructing your momentum. The most helpful question to ask when making an everyday decision is, what choice is best now? Then visualize walking the path of each option, noticing how you feel and allowing your gut to be your driver. Your proactive choices are an intentional and conscious commitment to do something that matters to you. With each proactive choice, you either move deliberately away from something you don't want or move towards something you're drawn to achieving or having. Proactive choices are those you make knowing what's right for you, those that have the potential to make a great impact, those you trust will create momentum. They have greater consequences than simple and momentary choices and call for a greater level of inquiry and contemplation. Making any proactive choice, big or small, is an opportunity to affirm your values and the trajectory your life is on. Will you choose to embrace a new opportunity, open yourself to a new relationship, proceed with a project that matters to you, seek out a coach or therapist, reach out to that person you've missed having in your life, take charge of that financial issue that keeps you up at night? Do work that brings you joy, not just money. Making choices with intention allows you to acknowledge what you value and put it into action. With each new choice, you have an opportunity to take a stand for yourself and choose how you'll respond to what's showing up in your path. Through your conscious choices, you become the person you want to be. The choice is yours. The choice is always yours. I am DeYoung, and I coach people of all ages and stages who are struggling and challenged to make their meaningful choices. To get a copy of my book, The Book of Choice, about making choices and understanding how and why you choose the way you do, visit yourchoicebook.com. I look forward to being connected with you and engaging in conversations about the choices you're navigating.